Welcome to 29 Cooran Court in Noosa Heads, a waterfront masterpiece that stands among the most significant designer homes on Noosa Sound. Set at the end of a private cul-de-sac and created by renowned designer Clout, this residence spans over 1,000 square meters under roof, placing it in a rare class of homes that simply cannot be replicated under today's building restrictions. Its scale, craftsmanship, and irreplaceable position make it one of Noosa's true blue-chip estates. Your arrival is an experience in itself. A floating timber bridge glides over a serene, landscaped pond before the architecture slowly reveals its presence. Layers of slatted timber, curated tropical planting, and the warm glow of a halo-lit heated pool and spa establish the calm, resort-style atmosphere that defines the entire property. Inside, the home is a celebration of volume and natural light. Soaring ceilings, a dramatic two-story stone fireplace, and expanses of glass create a tranquil sense of space, while rich travertine and polished timber flooring add warmth and sophistication. The living and dining zones merge effortlessly with expansive outdoor terraces, where a fully appointed alfresco kitchen invites year-round entertaining. At the heart of the home, the chef's kitchen centers around a 4.5 meter stone island, surrounded by premium appliances, twin dishwashers, and a full butler's pantry. Every detail has been crafted for both everyday ease and large-scale hosting. Accommodation is generous and impeccably appointed. Each of the 5 oversized bedrooms includes a walk-in robe, ensuite, and private outdoor access. The main suite forms its own upper-level sanctuary, complete with a fitted dressing room, spa ensuite, dual showers, and an adjoining lounge with fireplace. A striking glass bridge connects the upper wings, guiding you to a peaceful north-facing bedroom. Outdoors, the garden flows down to 48 meters of direct tidal water frontage, complete with sandy beaches. Boating enthusiasts will appreciate the substantial jetty, private ramp, and the rare luxury of a fully equipped boathouse with a bathroom, workshop, and secure storage. All of this sits just moments from Hastings Street, Noosa Main Beach, and the National Park. 29 Cooran Court is not just a home, it's a landmark of scale, privacy, and architectural intent. A once-in-a-generational offering in one of Australia's most coveted coastal enclaves.